We need to submit the report of our project ASAP. Not only does the report should have text information, but should also have images, diagrams and tables. The report should make an impact on the reader. What to do? Welcome back students, I am Bhavna and today we are going to create some informative text-based documents using a word processing software. Word processing software is used for the creation of text-based documents. There are many software packages available to do the job of word processing. Some examples of word processing softwares are AppleWorks, Microsoft Word, Star Office, WordPerfect, OpenOffice.org, Writer, LibreOffice Writer, etc. We are going to learn LibreOffice Writer in detail. LibreOffice Writer is the free and open source word processor component of the LibreOffice software package. We can use it to type letters, newsletters, reports and other documents. It provides tools for editing, formatting and printing of documents. In LibreOffice Writer, all features of a typewriter are available and there are many additional features which make the task of word processing much simpler and documents look more attractive and presentable. It is available for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and multiple distros of Linux like Ubuntu. To start LibreOffice Writer, simply click on its icon. It opens Writer with a blank document. By default, the name of the blank document is Untitled 1 and file extension of LibreOffice Writer is .odt. You can see the major components of LibreOffice Writer on your screen. We have the title bar. It is located at the top of the window and displays the document name. The format of the name displayed on the title bar is document name LibreOffice Writer. Ruler appears on the top and on the left side of the document window. Ruler is used to set tabs, indents and margins for a document. It allows to format the horizontal and vertical alignment of the text in a document. Scroll bar is used to view the whole active window. There are two types of scroll bars, that is horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Status bar is displayed on the bottom of the window and used to view the information such as page number, current page, current template, etc. Zoom control lets you zoom in for a closer look at your text. You can slide it left to right to zoom in or zoom out, to increase or decrease the zoom factor. Work area or workspace is the rectangular area of the document window where you can type the text. Next up, we have the menu bar. It is located just below the title bar. When you select one of the menus, a sub-menu drops down to show further options. Different types of bars or tabs are as follows. File tab is used to open existing document, create new document, save, export, send, close, print, etc. Edit tab is used to cut, copy, paste, redo, find, select all, etc. View tab is used for web layout, text boundaries, data source, navigator, etc. Insert tab is used to insert the header, footer, bookmark, frame, page break, chart, movie and sound footnote, endnote, etc. Format is used to add bullets and numbering, page, title page, wrap, alignment, arrange, flip, rotate, group, etc. Styles tab is used to insert the bullet list, number list, etc. Table tab is used to insert the tables, delete, select, formula, etc. Form tab is used to insert the text box, check box, option button, list box, combo box, image control, table control, design mode, etc. Tools tab is used to check spelling and grammar, language, word count, bibliography database, macros, etc. Window tab is used to open new window, close window, etc. Help tab is used to allow users to search and find any topic about that program, send feedback, know about license information, etc. We also have multiple toolbars in Writer. Standard toolbar is located just below the menu bar. You can check the functionality of all these icons by just hovering over them. Formatting toolbar is located just below the standard toolbar. So when we work with text, formatting toolbar is displayed. Formatting toolbar consists of various text formatting options, line font name, font size like bold, italic, underline, etc. Now that we know the basic of components of Writer, let's create a new blank document. Each time when you open LibreOffice Writer, a new blank document appears. However, you will also need to know how to create new documents while an existing document is open. So steps to create a new blank document are as follows. Number 1. Click on the File tab. Number 2. Select New. A sub-menu will appear. Number 3. Select Text Document. Number 4. A new blank document will appear. Once we have created a document, it is recommended to store it permanently on hard disk. To permanently store a document on hard disk, you must save the document and assign a name to it. Saving is one of the most basic features of any application. To save a document, click on File tab, in which the various save options are available. There are different types of saving as save, save as, remote, save a copy, save all, etc. So steps to save a document using save command are as follows. Number 1. Click on File tab. Now click on Save given on the menu bar, or you can press Ctrl+S shortkey on keyboard or click on Save icon on the standard toolbar. Number 2. Save the document in its current location with the same file name. But if the file has not been saved previously, a Save As dialog box will appear. Enter the document name and fill the type and click Save button. Save As is a way to create duplicate document that will look exactly the same if opened by LibreOffice, but can be edited without changing the original one. Steps to save a document using Save As command are as follows. Number 1. Click the File tab. Number 2. Click Save As option, or you can press Ctrl+Shift+S from keyboard. The Save As dialog box will appear. Number 3. Select the location where you want to save the document using the drop-down menu. Number 4. Enter the name and type of document in File Name and Save As type boxes respectively. Number 5. Click the Save button. Save a copy is almost an identical function to Save As. It opens a Save a Copy dialog box and lets you save it in the folder and format of your own choice. It, however, cannot overwrite the original file. That is, if you perform Save a Copy and do not change the file name or the folder where it is located, the Save As function would replace the original file, whereas Save a Copy won't change the active file. So once you have saved the required documents, you can close them. Number 1. Click the File tab and select Exit LibreOffice option from drop-down menu that will appear. Or you can press Ctrl+Q shortkey on the keyboard. Before starting to type our informative report, Let's set up our page. Page setup is used to do the page settings like setting margin, page orientation, etc. You can change size, layout, orientation and margin of paper through this option. So the steps to set up our page are as follows. Number 1. Select the Format tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Number 2. Now choose the page option from it. Page style default style box will appear. Number 3. Click on Page tab in which 3 panels are showing as follows. A. Paper format. With the help of this panel, you can customize the settings that are related to size, height and width of the paper, orientation, which is portrait or landscape, etc. B. Margins. With the help of this panel, you can modify the margin orientation of the page. It allows for the top, bottom, left and right margins to be set. C. Layout settings. With the help of this panel, user can customize the sections page layout, page numbers, etc. Once you complete all the modifications in your document, you may want to print it for various reasons. So steps to follow to print a document are: Number 1. Click the File tab or press Ctrl plus P shortkey on the keyboard. Number 2. Now print dialog box will appear. Number 3. Select the pages range you would like to print, either all pages or pages. Number 4. Now select the number of copies. Number 5. Check the collate box if you are printing multiple copies of a multi-page document. Number 6. Now select a printer from the printer drop-down list. Number 7. Click OK button and you have your document printed. Many a times we want the end user of the document to just read it and not edit it. So we then save the file with a .pdf extension. A file with a .pdf file extension is a portable document format, PDF file. PDF are typically used to distribute read-only documents that preserve the layout of a page. Steps to save a document as PDF are as follows. Number 1. Click on File tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Now select Export as. Export as PDF. PDF options dialog box will appear. Number 3. Make sure the Export bookmarks box is selected. Number 4. Click Export button. Export dialog box will appear. Number 5. Enter the document name in File Name and click on Save button. Now that we know how to save our documents, let's create some text. After opening Writer document, you can simply start typing. Cursor inserts a character at its current position, forcing all the characters past it one position further. The Enter key is used to go to the next line. To correct or remove the mistakes of the text at the time of typing, use backspace or delete key. After typing the text in the document, you can also edit that text as per your requirement. To add some text in the document, click the pointer on the correct position and then start typing. The all typed text will add to the right hand side of the cursor. Backspace or delete key is used to remove any character, text, paragraph, word, etc. You can also select the text that you want to edit. Now click where you want to begin the selection. Hold down the left mouse button and then drag the pointer over the text that you want to select. If you want to select the text that is not continuous, simply press Shift along with left mouse button while selecting. Let's assume that we want to move some text from one place to another. We can use the cut and copy paste option. Number 1. Select a portion of the text using any one of the text selection methods. Number 2. Select the text that you want to move. Number 3. Use mouse right click and select cut option or use cut option from standard toolbar. Or you can also use Ctrl plus X shortkey from the keyboard. Number 4. Click at the place where you want to move the selected text and use any one of them. Use mouse right click and then select paste option or simply press Ctrl plus V shortkey from the keyboard. You can also copy text from original position to another position without deleting it. Select the required text and use mouse right click and select copy option. Or you can simply press Ctrl plus C shortkey from the keyboard. Now simply paste the text wherever you want by moving the cursor and pressing Ctrl plus V shortkey from the keyboard. In this video, we learnt about how to create a new document or open a document in Writer. We also learnt about multiple options to save our document. Lastly, we learnt some basic commands to move and copy our text. We will continue to learn more about LibreOffice Writer in our next video. Goodbye.